On today's monthly dose of Outlaws, you will see car sniffing. The rare JDM V6 AMG Nuerburgring edition BMW M C-Class. A RC car faster than any GT86, FRS or BRZ out there. Yo, what's up and welcome back to today's video where I'm not showing you guys the most high-end cars like usually, but rather funny and more random and recent automotive stuff that I found. This is going to be my new weekly or let's say monthly series on this channel, inspired by other creators like Daily Dose of Internet, Carmighty and more. I'm hoping that I can bring a wider range of content in a bit more entertaining way to you guys with this series, so let me know if I should do more of this in the future by liking this video. Like usually, make sure to let me know which build was your favorite in the comments, don't fast forward and stick around till the end for a bonus clip. Coming up first, I have a question for you. What do you do with your spare money? Just kidding, because with today's gas prices I bet your wallet is empty. But let's say you have some money left over, and I'm sure you would also buy yourself a Formula 1 car just to have fun in the dirt, like this guy. Actually, what you're going to see in the next clips are cars purging their nitro systems so that it is ready when they need it. But if you reverse the clip, it just sounds and looks like cars sniffing weird substances. Up next we got a 2.5 liter Volvo swapped MX5 Miata. It even has a BMW V10 throttle body and gives you that sweet 5-cylinder symphony that we all love. As we were talking of cool engine swaps, here is a Honda bike swapped Fiat 126p sliding over a parking lot. I don't know what it is, but engine swapped Miatas are just one of my favorites. This Miata received the amazing 1UZ, one of the best Japanese V8s to ever come out, and it sounds amazing. Over 96% of you guys watching my videos aren't even subscribed yet, so if you enjoy these kind of videos, are new to the channel or find yourself coming back on the regular, I would really appreciate if you like this video, subscribe and comment #outlaw if you are part of the squad. It really helps me out and only takes you a second. Let's get back to the video. I'm sorry to disappoint you that there is no Mini 2JZ, but what we have here is a 4-cylinder turbo engine with a completely working exhaust and everything. Sadly, it doesn't rev up high enough to shift gears, but we'll come back to that later. If you've ever wondered why you would get no girls, it's probably because this guy in the Twingo with his hydraulics is getting every single one of them. Are you too lazy to clean your workshop or garage? Well,
welcome to Watch Mojo, and today we're counting down our picks for the top 10 life hacks for lazy people.
Up in paradise up above, if you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, you're dreaming of when you get old, life could be a dream.
please take a second and think about all the modern race cars with all their safety features, and then please look at what people raced many years ago. The cars back then probably would be way faster, but the size of the driver's balls was slowing them down anyway. Coming up on AutoZone's favorite customer, because this man made himself a JDM V6 AMG Nuerburgring edition BMW M C-Class sponsored by K&N and scratched by Wolverine himself.
Oh my lord. What the fuck? Oh no. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck?
Coming back to RC cars, here's a petrol RC car with 2 working gears. This thing doesn't only look fun and fast, it will also gap your average BRZ on the highway. Last but not least, I have this crazy Beetle dragster for you. I would love to get your guys' guesses on this Beetle's horsepower down in the comments below. Let me know. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.